Can't get down the driveway.
Yeah, this is not.
That's good. Little roof tiles all over the place. Neighbors have got an awning down in their backyard, and their, I don't know what you call that thing, that tent thing, it's just ripped to shreds. They're out there examining it too. Good morning, Donna.